So guys, welcome back to in my computer screen and welcome back to in my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you my earning proofs in Adsterra. So before, I already uploaded few videos related with Adsterra, and today I'm going to show you the earning proof of Adsterra. Okay guys, so for this one, so I'm just going to in adsterra.com. Okay, adsterra.com. Yeah, so a few months ago I started with Adsterra, and now you can see this is the homepage of the Adsterra. Then I'm just clicking in the sign in, and you can sign in as a publisher. So it's asking me the login email ID, so I'm just typing my email ID here, and I'm just typing my password also here. Okay, then after that, now you can see I am in the just wait for a moment, it's loading, right? So I'm inside the dashboard of the Adsterra, and now you can see, so this is my earning of Adsterra. So now I earned $2.63. Okay, so maybe this all the things happen because of you. So you can sign up in the Adsterra using my referral link. So I'm going to give you my referral link in the video description, so you can check that one. Okay, then after that, you can also monetize your blogger website. So it is too much easy and simple. So today I'm going to give you the referral link. So using that, if you sign up using that referral link, so I will get the 5% from you. So it will be a little bit help for me also. Okay guys, so now you can see, so here is now you can see here is few earnings it is showing. Okay guys, and so if I click in the payment tab, so now you can see it's telling me that for the PayPal I need $100, and for the web money I need $5 only, and for the Paxum I need $5, and for the wire transfer I need $1,000, and for the Bitcoin I need $100, and for the Tether I need $100. Okay guys, so I'll show you when I'll reach the $5 and I'll withdraw this money inside in the Paxum, or I'll withdraw this amount in the web money, and I'll make that video also. So you can, if you want to also earn from your blogger, then you can also sign up using my referral link, which is I'm going to give you in my video description. So I'll come back with another new video. Until then, goodbye, see you again.